भारती न्यूज़, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Good evening and welcome. You are watching Bharti News. I am Divishikha and let's have a look at the top news stories of the day. Starting with national headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has embarked on his combined 3-day visit to Thailand and Sri Lanka on Thursday. Over the next 3 days, I will be visiting Thailand and Sri Lanka to take part in various programs aimed at boosting India's cooperation with these nations and the BIMS TEC countries, PM Modi shared on X before leaving. The Prime Minister is visiting Thailand to attend the 6th Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation Summit scheduled for April 4, Friday. A marathon debate of 12 hours, a back and forth of claims and rebuttal between the centre and the opposition, and voting on multiple questions. The Lok Sabha saw a huge drama unfold before the Waqf Bill 2025 was finally cleared, with 288 votes in favour and 232 against. The bill was passed after a prolonged debate and several deliberations that lasted past midnight and now faces a test in the Rajya Sabha. Coming to international news, United States President Donald Trump took the world by surprise after he announced the kind and discounted reciprocal tariffs on as many as 180 countries, triggering fear of a full-scale trade war. The billionaire businessman, in a much-awaited speech at the White House, said that April 2, 2025 would forever be remembered as the day American history was reborn, asserting that domestic manufacturing would experience a resurgence with companies rushing to the United States to produce their goods. When Donald Trump delivered his speech from the White House on Wednesday, he announced sweeping reciprocal tariffs targeting countries like China, India and Australia. However, despite frequent mentions of Canada and Mexico in his rhetoric, neither country was included in the latest round of tariffs. Our country has been looted, pillaged, raped, plundered by other nations, Trump declared, dramatically unveiling a massive broad listing the tariff rates imposed on various countries. Coming to business news, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited has achieved a milestone in cargo handling, managing a total 450 million metric tons across its ports in the financial year 2024-25. Mundra Port led this achievement as the first Indian port to handle 200 MMT in a single year. Mundra Port's growing cargo volume further cements its role as India's largest trade gateway. US President Donald Trump has delivered a major trade blow to India, imposing a steep 26% reciprocal tariff that could rattle the country economy. Announced during the Liberation Day address, the move comes as a setback for New Delhi, which had been hoping for tariff concession rather than new trade barriers. Instead, all Indian goods entering the US will now attract minimum 26 levy beginning April 9, leaving business scrambling to assess the damage. Coming to sports news, fast bowler Mohammad Siraj registered his bowling figures in Bengaluru in the Indian Premier League in his first game against Royal Challengers Bengaluru in Gujarat Titans colours. Siraj won the player of the match for his figure of 3 for 19 after Gujarat hammered Bengaluru by 8 wickets at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in their IPL 2025 meeting on Wednesday, April 2. Siraj was looking fired up as he unleashed fury with the new ball after Shubham Gill won the toss and opted to field. Virat Kohli suffered an injury scare during Royal Challengers Bengaluru's first home match against Gujarat Titans on Wednesday, April 2 at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru. In the fifth ball of the 12th over of GT's run chase, the 36-year-old sustained a finger injury while attempting to stop a boundary. In an unusual display of sloping, the Delhi-born Kohli misfielded a powerful shot from Sai Sudarshan. So that concludes our news bulletin for today. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned to Bharti News for continuous coverage and more updates. Wishing you a good evening and a great night ahead.